Want to use your Chase accounts with PayPal or Venmo but worried about security? If linking your bank account seems risky, you're not alone. Today, we're safely linking Chase to PayPal and Venmo. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Linking your Chase account to these apps allows you to transfer money, pay friends, and shop online more easily. For PayPal, use the Wallet section. Log into your PayPal account and go to Wallet. Click Link a bank account and select Chase from the list. You'll be redirected to securely log into your Chase account to authorize the connection. For Venmo, use the payment methods. In the Venmo app, go to View tab, Settings, Payment Methods, Add Bank Account. Choose Chase and log in through the secure portal to link your account. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: use the instant verification method for faster access. Instead of the manual microdeposit method that takes 2 to 3 days, choose the instant verification option where you log directly into your Chase account. This links your account immediately so you can start transferring money right away. So, just like that, you can safely connect your Chase accounts to the apps you use daily. Secure linking goes a long way in convenient digital payments. Now I'm curious, which app do you use more often for peer-to-peer payments? PayPal, Venmo, or Zelle? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.